This compact, eco-worthy 25-watt solar charger is well suited for keeping 12-volt batteries topped up on cars, recreational vehicles, boats, and other seasonal equipment without needing grid power. The monocrystalline panel is built with tempered glass and a corrosion-resistant aluminum frame, so it holds up well outdoors in rain, snow, and strong wind over many years of use. Included mounting hardware lets you tilt and aim the panel for better sun exposure, and the pre-drilled design makes installation straightforward on a variety of surfaces. The bundled charge controller manages charging automatically, helping to prevent overcharging and other common battery issues while quietly maintaining a healthy state of charge. A built-in universal serial bus port on the controller is handy for powering or topping off small devices directly from the panel when the sun is out. The kit comes with the panel, controller, and multiple cable options, so most users can hook it up quickly without hunting for extra connectors.